Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Picture Rocks local and long distance movers near me. The physical, psychological, and emotional stress that accompanies relocation makes it increasingly overwhelming to manage. However, to conduct a stress-free relocation, you should hire a good moving company to help with your relocation needs. With a moving company like 3Movers, you are in safe hands. We provide the cheapest and most efficient local and long-distance relocation in Picture Rocks AZ. We are easily accessible in the city, and we have a favorable reputation. We have the best hands in Picture Rocks. Therefore, our clients enjoy professional services when working with us. We take responsibility for the entire moving process and relieve your stress. Our moving services are timely and beneficial. Despite our top-quality services, our prices are reasonable and affordable. We are reliable, credible, and affordable, and we give you an estimate of all our charges, so you know that we are very transparent in our dealings. You will find our services acceptable and satisfactory. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles away from your current location, either within a state or outside state lines. An intrastate relocation is within the same state, while an interstate relocation is outside state lines. We follow the rules and regulations guiding relocation, and certain constraints are put in place by state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. At 3Movers, we work closely with the leaders in the relocation process and meet all the requirements to get licenses for interstate and intrastate moves. It means distance is not an issue for us. We are fully staffed and equipped to move your belongings to your destination of choice. We also protect your belongings and transport them promptly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Picture Rocks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.